Hey everyone, welcome to Black Hut Woodworking. And what we're going to do here today is we are actually going to bust apart a pallet. I have a place near my house that throws out pallets and they're free to anyone who picks them up. So I picked one up today. This is the biggest and heaviest pallet that I have ever picked up. Holy mackerel, this thing's got to be well over 100 pounds. Solid wood, 3/4 inch. Boards going across, and none of them are really broken on the top. The bottom are, I got one board that is broken on it, and it is heavy. And to be honest, I'm not sure how I'm gonna break this thing apart in my workshop. This is, my bench is 7 feet long, so this is just shy of 7 feet, this pallet. Looks like it's probably pine. I've got some good 2x4s for the skids, and these planks are good, at least 1/2 inch, and they're pretty sturdy. So this is going to take me a little while to break apart. So yahoo! So this pallet was too heavy for me to lift up. So I'm gonna have to do it on the floor. This is gonna be fun and it's gonna hurt. So let's go break this thing apart. We got the pallet all broken apart now. Now comes, it's pretty much, it's easy, but it's tedious. I got to take all the nails out of the boards. So we'll go back to a time lapse for that again. All right, so I've got the pallet all done. It took me roughly about an hour or so. And what I ended up with is I ended up with a lot of wood here. Again, this is imperfect lumber that I would sell to someone. I mean, basically what we have here is basically 1x4s. Yeah, 1x4s, they're pine. So it's good lumber for me to practice on. It's free. It doesn't cost me anything, so it doesn't hurt if I make a mistake or something. I still have work to do on these. I got to fill in nail holes. This one here has a crack in it, so I'll have to cut it down. I'll find projects to use it for. But yeah, I mean, that's basically breaking down a pallet. You can build furniture out of it. I've built this table. I also built this little shelf here, and I'll show you another shelf that I built. Take you out to my office here. And of course, what's any office without PlayStation? So I built a little shelf for PlayStation, and this is all out of pallets. So there's some good wood in the pallet. It's not always just throwaway stuff. I'd say of the wood that I get in a pallet, probably I can use probably about 75 to 80% of the wood. So it's not bad. Like, and again, like I said, it's free. Myself being a beginner woodworker, it really helps because the wood gets expensive after a while. I mean, I know if I went with hardwoods, like I've got to get some this weekend for another project I'm working on. Walnut in my area is going for about $10 a board foot. Maple, cherry, excuse me, is $8, and maple is $7 a board foot. So that can get expensive real quick. But if I practice on this, learn how to use tools on this, it doesn't hurt if I break it. So that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up below. Let me know if there's any other technique that I could use to break apart the pallets be easier. This is the technique that I found to be the easiest. So that being said, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys again on my next video.